Hello everyone and welcome to this video. It's Skillet Social. Let's talk about manifesting your goals. Manifestation is a powerful tool that can help you bring your dreams into reality. It is a process of using the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions to create what you want in life. First, let's start with the basics. Manifestation requires you to focus on what you want and to believe that you can achieve it. Visualize your goal in great detail, from the outcome you want to the emotions you expect to feel when you reach it. Make sure you're focusing on the positive aspects of your goal instead of the negative. Next, take action. You'll need to do more than just think about your goal. Identify the steps you need to take to get there and start working on them. Take small steps each day and focus on building momentum. Third, use the power of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself. Repeating your affirmations regularly will help reprogram your subconscious mind and create a positive mindset. Finally, be patient. Manifestation takes time, so don't be discouraged if you don't see results right away. Focus on the process and trust that your goals will come to fruition eventually. By following these steps, you can begin to manifest your goals and create the life you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching and good luck. Like, share, and subscribe.